This is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be participating in the second phase recharge event of Naruto Shippuden on our second account. I have recharged 250 diamonds and spent 100, but I will spend the 50 later to get the 250, to get the 25 voucher of flame. So we still have 4 more to get, but luckily we have tokens here to exchange so that we can have 30, so we can exchange for 5 more. But let's start drawing first. So I haven't gotten any effects yet, or even the Kakashi emote, and we already have 676 tokens from our daily draws and first phase recharge event. So let's go. Hope we can get something good. Let's go. And we got a 20. I like the violet effect when you get 20, the violet background, but we got 1.5. That's okay. Pretty good draw. 785. Pretty good. I just want the 20. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 785. Looks like a below average draw. Look at all those 10s and 2 5s. Come on, Nonton. That's a below average draw. I think drawing single is better. Okay, let's continue again. No more stop. No more canceling method. Wow. All I can say is not good. Not good, guys. I'll choose it next time. So I think we still need 250 tokens. So let's get. Wait. What if I get the Trivium supply? Wait. If I exchange for this, let's just draw. Let's just draw one more to get the 50. And we got 12. Okay. So now we can get the 150 diamonds. And then we can also exchange for, let's exchange for some more Scroll of Flames. Sorry, Voucher of Flames. I think this is looking good, guys. We still have 20 more days of the event, and we're already at 974, and we can still draw 9 more. So I think we shouldn't have done the, maybe I should just have bought a Starlight instead. Uy, finally Kakashi emote. Nice. But I wish we could get the recall or notification. Wow, 20. Nice. I think we'll be getting the Naruto emote faster than the deadline. Okay, 8. No more tapping, just keep on drawing. Whether RNG is good. Nah, never mind. Never mind, RNG is not good. No, we're getting below average draws. I'm fine with 10 or below. 10 or above, not 10 or below. Last. Okay, let's try last draw. And 8. Okay, below average again. So that's it, guys. We got 1047 tokens on the second phase recharge event, and we still have 20 more days to do daily draw. So I think we don't need to spend any more draws for the 10 times draw or the single draws of 50, because we can still draw 20 more, 50% discount, and we have an average of 10 per draw, so I only need to draw 16 if I'm lucky, and if I'm very lucky, I will get it below 16 draws. So that's it, guys. How did your draws go? Which Naruto skin will you get? I will post a video once I get a Naruto skin and get to 1,200 tokens to exchange it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.